How to remove a printer from your HP Smart account. Use your HP Smart account, formerly HP Connected, to remove a printer from your HP Smart account. On your computer or mobile device, go to hpsmart.com and click the Sign In link. Enter the email address associated with your account and then select Next. Enter your password and then select Sign In. Find the printer you want to remove and then select Change Settings. Otherwise, your printer settings display automatically. Select Remove Printer. Confirm the printer shown is correct and then select Remove to finalize removing the printer from your account.